Blackest night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Kifilu Kodikazi, as known as Kifiku. Please do follow me on Instagram at Kifiku_Q_. So guys, today I'll be unboxing some package from Superbalist. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video where I'll be sharing what I got from Superbalist as well as Refinery for winter of course. So okay, yeah, let's unbox. I don't know why this big box, because I only bought a lipstick. Really? So guys, I got this Ruby Woo from MAC. I bought it under Superbalist. So yeah, I've been a MAC girl, let me say a Ruby Woo girl back in varsity. So I thought I should buy this when I saw it was cheaper on Superbalist. Let's check it out. But I believe most of you knows this Ruby Woo. This is the packaging. You can see here it's a Ruby Woo retro matte lipstick. So yeah, here it goes. I'll link on my description box if you're interested. But most ladies, you do know of this lipstick. So this one I got it from the mall. I got the foundation. It's Studio Fix Fluid SPF 50. So it's in, I'm not sure what color is this, but let me open it and see. NC50, so I'm not sure what color is this, because they just tested me at the next store. So I saw this shade, it's best for my skin. So yeah guys, so yeah, I'm going to be a lady and be beautiful. So yeah, this is basically what I got. This one I got at the mall, and the lipstick I got it from Superbalist. So yeah guys, so I also got another item. This was influenced by Intelligent Matole. Thank you so much, babes, for this influence. I can't wait to rock what's in here. So let's unbox. Hello, New Balance. Hello. So let's see. Goodness. Your Intelligent did say these are gorgeous. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I can't wait to rock these. Yo. My first sneaker of New Balance. I've been looking for New Balance sneakers, but I've never got a size. Usually they will start from size 5 until that bigger size. So I have a package from Refinery. So let's also unbox what's in here. Some track suits, it's pants, and their tops. So they were on promotion, or should I say sale. If you buy two, okay, yeah, if you buy a track pant and a top, usually you get for 620 something, yeah, if I remember, but I will check and link it on my description box. So yeah, I got this pants for winter, of course. These pants, wow, I can't wait to rock these. They have a label written refinery. So actually the normal price is $3.99, but like I said, you get these pants and a top for I don't remember, it's $6.25 or how much is it? But yeah, I will check and link it on my description box. Guys, look at the top. Look at the top. Wow, I can't wait to rock these during winter. So even the top is $3.99. So yeah, both were 6 something if you buy like this. So isn't it that I'm going to match? Nothing when you know how to match. So yeah, I'm here. So guys, I also got this top in this color. Wow, I'm loving this. It's like a crop top-ish. Okay, I got them in medium. Also those ones I got them in medium. Also this one is $3.99, but if you buy both top and a pant and a top pant, you get them for 6 something. So let's see the pants. Even the pants are also $3.99 at Refinery. Oh my goodness, I'm loving these two pants. Ooh, I'm loving these two pants. So these ones, they have this label here written Refinery, and they are also in medium, and they have this elastic what here. So yeah guys, that's all for my haul. So guys, I'll be looking gorgeous this winter. So I would like to share what's in here. So let's unbox, guys. Here's my things. So guys, I've been anticipating with this, and basically I bought stuff, but I divided them into 3. So this is the first part. I think the second part will come because I'm still waiting to pay for the value and VAT for the third part of the things that I got. So yeah, let me just show you what I got. So I got this case for my phone. So I can't fit it because already I'm using my phone to record. So yeah, here's the case that I got. It's pink like my phone. So yeah. The second part that I got this. This was interesting. It's a matte toilet. It's to protect your charger. So yeah. Is it? It's a pink. It's in what's this, clear and pink hearts. Also there's to put the other part of the charger. So yeah. I got another circle cover for my phone. I think I like it. I also influenced by tips in my toilet. Thank you so much, babes, again for the influence. So yeah, these camel pants. My goodness. La la. So yeah, I got these camel pants. They're like a white leg pants with 2 pockets, one on the other side and then one on the other side. I will link everything on my description. Also, this was influenced by Auntie Sima Toy. I think she once got hers in 2021. Yeah, I think so. So I got these leather pants, which are also a wide leg. So yeah, okay, because I'm sure I'm gonna need to cut them. So yeah, these are the pants. These pajama set in a medium. So let's see. Wow, 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 wow. Actually, my pants look small. But no, I think they will fit. Wow, I love this. Oh, I'm gonna sleep like a baby with these beautiful PJs. So yeah, I've got them in the pants in medium, also the top in medium. So yeah, these are the pants. They look so cute. These were influenced by Sitati Litipa, as known as Tati, and Tandi Zamo, as known as Auntie T. So the reason again why I bought them is that I saw Auntie T bought them, and she did a haul for on her channel. So I'm like, I'm definitely getting them. I saw Sitati last year, and then this year I saw Auntie T. I'm like, I am definitely getting them. I got them in size 36, which is size 3. Yeah. I also got for my little sister. Yeah, that girl, I love her so much. I think I'm gonna invite her to my channel. So much. I got her size 39, I think it's size 6. So yeah, here's the size at the back. Yeah, it's size 6. So yeah, I'm going to surprise her with these beautiful shoes. I will be with her. Oh my god, these are so gorgeous. I'm so excited for these ones. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like, comment and subscribe. Please tell your friends to tell their friends to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, thank you. Bye.